Ori wa kweneke budangu barenda bare abana babo anene chinga kibarenga ase umutimoko bw'amasomo eniga kwanwa chinga kichumuyaga bwo kubekerwa egutwa kwa wakiwa beskuru ya Trace Academy eyotoka imebunge ya kitutu cha South County ya Kisii ase wakiwa bo ba kubekerwa chugutwa go cha grade class ya grade 1 korwa PP2 no muyaga bagokora wa no director OECD ase ebunge ya kitutu cha North Rafael Mokaya muri keto Mildred Momanyi noroboturo
Ekerobono amatemwa yekirasi kya gatano na gatatu amona keli kya grade 6 bakura amatemwa abo bono nigo chiskuru ao chiranereire ase ogokora omoyega bwo kubekera wakiwa chigutwa ekeroba gutambuka kurwa ase kirasi kya PP2 gochia grade egetangani ase skuru ya Trace Academy etatigwa magega. Ase skuru ya Trace Academy imeyebunge ya kitutu cha South nigo wakiwa babekirwa chigutwa ase bono omogeni bwesco Rafael Mokaya oyo ori omo director o ali ya education ime kitutu cha North akwanira igori ye skuru yo ase aya okoboko ase okobeka oboroso obya.
Actually, I've discovered that this school is a great school. It's registered with the Ministry of Education. There's a certificate, there's an NMS code, and it's granted an opportunity to continue with the junior secondary school. And we are grateful that this school is doing well. I've discovered it has competent, trained teachers who are TSC compliant, and I believe that the knowledge that they are imparting to these young ones is the right one. Otherwise, I thank the director for ensuring that the learning taking place in this school is the right one. And I want to assure the visitors and the parents who have come here today to oversee this graduation that this school is a school that you can treasure.
In this 2-year course, we must thank God. So what I can say, as a tracer, the pupils who are transiting to grade 1, one assurance I want to give the parents out there, and they can bear me witness, all the pupils who are transiting to grade 1, they have been fully bagged. All the learners who are getting to grade 1, they know how to read, and at least they have covered all that is supposed to be covered in PP2.
Niga omo director we skuru yo Jackson Ombati aganirie abayiboli be skuru yo kuwalinda abana babo asenga kiyeiga yerusa.
So as we are breaking for the holiday, naomba wazazi tafadhali take care of these children, be with them, kaa nao vizuri, and at least mold them well so that when we meet in 2024 tupate watoto ambao tuliwapea.
Abayiboli nabarabwa nigo bakira oboteneri we skuru yo ngambi ya mono aso kubaika abana ange amona abayiboli ase boigo balia eira yo gochikubalenda abana babo ase rusa eyega entambe.
I'm a parent in this school and I'm very happy. Whenever they need something, they have even created the WhatsApp groups, so we don't have communication problems. Whenever the child has a problem, they communicate through WhatsApp, through messages. So this is the place to be. The best as we are going for the holidays, let's take care of our children. Let's know what our children are doing, where they are. There is no need of us sending children to their grandmothers. Let's stay with our children and know what our children are doing and where they are. Wish you all the best. Happy holidays.
Golipotalia egetaseni kya Ndizi TV, eletaliane Mildred Momanyi.